Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 19-piece knife set. Comes with a really nice block to display all of them in. And this has everything that you will ever need. I mean, you've got chef knives, you've got bread knives, and that is massive. Look at that chef knife. And it goes all the way through with the blade. You've got your little indents in here. I mean, that is a beautiful knife, and it just slides right in here. You have a whole set of different steak knives that's got that nice serrated edge on there. And you've got paring knives to be able to cut stuff, bread knives, and it even has a sharpener. So whenever you're done, you can actually sharpen those knives whenever they start getting dull. And you have a nice little kitchen shears that you can use to chop all sorts of stuff. And that's a fun little shears there. I like that little guy. It's got a nice little lock on there to be able to lock it up and keep it all put in whenever you're not using it. And whenever we cut them, let's try this thing out and see how it works. So I've got some little chicken back here. I've got my paring knife. It cuts super smooth. I mean, that is a nice cut. It's cutting straight through it real easy. That's a really nice smooth cut. I mean, I'm not pushing on it very hard at all, and that's doing a great job. These are some nice knives that you can have in your kitchen. Beautiful display and for anyone's home.